Chapter 5 Earth Our Home. As we know, we live on the planet Earth. You must have heard, read, and seen that the Earth is round. Since you live on Earth, you do not realize that the Earth is round. You cannot see its shape because the Earth is too vast. So Earth shape is not round. It is like sphere. Uh, I think like an oval. How can we prove that the earth is round? If we go to the moon and look at the earth, we observe that it is round. Many astronauts have taken photographs of the earth from space, and the pictures show the spherical or round shape of the earth. Now you see here some travelers of space: Rakesh Sharma, Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, and it is the earth photo taken from space. Here the globe. If you observe the globe, you will find horizontal and vertical lines drawn on it. These lines are actually not drawn on the earth and are imaginary lines. Means in the fifth standard you learn North Pole, South Pole. Here you see this is equator line. This is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, here Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. Now here is the globe and the imaginary line. It is the imaginary line. It is not drawn actually, but we just imagine. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are called longitudes. Here observe the globe and answer. Which horizontal lines divided the globe into two equal parts? Means it is called here. This line, it is called equator. Name the upper part of the globe which lies to the north of the horizontal line. Name the lower part of the globe which lies to the south of the horizontal line. It is called northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. Name the other two dark parallel horizontal lines on the globe. Here one line, it is Tropic of Cancer and here Tropic of Capricorn. Now here some images are there. This is equator line. This is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. This is Arctic Circle, Equator and Antarctic Circle. Equator and Tropic of Capricorn. Here North Pole, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, South Pole. Here this is the activities. Which latitude receives maximum light? Here this is the activity and by torch you focus on globe. Here which latitude receives maximum light? Here between 23.5 north to 23.5 south latitudes, this zone is torrid zone. Here maximum light means it is very hot weather. It is torrid zone. Which latitudes receive the least amount of light? It is means between 66.5 north latitude to 90 north pole. Here this and this 66.5 to 90, 66.5 to 90. It is called frigid zone. Which latitude receives average light? Means a temperate zone. Here and here. Means from Arctic Circle to Tropic of Cancer, Antarctic Circle to Tropic of Capricorn. And here they name the countries which receive light from the torch. So you can understand here 1, 2, 3, whatever country you see, you write down here. Now